Make a great choice today with the 2016 Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, cruise control, child safety locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.